Traveling to the Ninth Island is always a fun time, but when one relocates from the islands to the mainland, it's always a big decision. It's time now to introduce you to our Xpand Realty homeowners, Eugene and Kacey.
You know, we moved here in 2011, and at the time, we were like stagnant, or like we're at a standstill, you know, in Hawaii. So we're trying to figure out what to do, and Vegas was our other option, and my sister had lived here at the time. We've never been in Vegas. We were like hesitant, you know, because we're always used to back home. We love home. You know, I did my little research, and I told her, you know what, we should just jump into it. Like, we will never know if we don't go there.
After hopping across the Pacific and landing in Las Vegas, this Hawaii couple was surprisingly pleased to discover the big local community here. But after their arrival, the surprises kept on coming.
We moved here in the middle of June, and we didn't know how the weather was here, and so when we hopped off the plane, it was like 100-something degrees, and I was like, whoa.
Regardless of the summer heat, Eugene and Kacey agreed that they had made the right choice.
We didn't have no plans.
Sure.
We just up and left Hawaii, try to figure something out, you know, like.
That's gotta be scary though, right?
Yeah, it was super scary, but you know, we both took the leap of faith, and Vegas was it.
Eugene and Kacey were welcomed to Las Vegas with a lot of aloha, but having built-in friends and family on the Ninth Island definitely made their relocation to Las Vegas a little less stressful.
When we got here, and told my sister, hey, can we borrow a room at your house? And yeah, she said yes, and we moved here, figured it out.
Everybody, for the most part, back home, when they think about Vegas, they think the Strip, they see the big neon lights and all of that and think that's Vegas. But what is really like everyday life in Vegas like?
Well, for us is when we got here, you know, we always hear like Vegas is the Ninth Island, and when we got here, definitely was. She had a cousin that already lived here, and just so happened he knew Randy Hatada here, so.
Everybody knows Randy. Randy's an unofficial mayor in Vegas. At least that's my experience.
Her cousin is my barbecue partner. And we had about 2,500 people surrender licenses out of Hawaii and become Las Vegas residents. That doesn't even include the children or people who wanted to hold on to their shiny, you know, rainbow Hawaii licenses, right?
Why do you think that is?
Well, just like Kacey and Eugene, you know, it gives opportunity for multiple reasons, and one of the largest is the dream of home ownership, starting a family with a nice house that we can now call home. And you know, they've come a long way. They've been able to plan, start from a relative's bedroom,
That's a great story. I love that.
renting on their own,
Right.
and then planning to become a homeowner, and here they are, just about to close.
Yeah, you had some news about that your parents don't know about yet.
No.
So tell everybody what will already have happened by the time they see this. So what is the plan?
They get here next week, and they don't know that we're buying our own place. They actually think that they're coming to help us move into another apartment that we're renting. So.
And where's your family coming from?
My family is from Kauai. They all live there, so everybody's still back home. I still call it home, but I mean, now Vegas is our home.
Anything you want to say to everybody back home?
So anybody back home that's thinking about something new, don't be afraid to jump into it and chase after your dreams.
That's right.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much.